Front-load washers are amazing, but most people use them wrong. Here are the 5 most common mistakes and how to fix them. Number 1. Using too much detergent. Front-load washers need far less detergent than a top-loader. Too much soap causes extra suds, poor rinsing, and even bad odors. Use the high-efficiency detergent and stick to the recommended line on the cap, not more. Number 2. Never cleaning the door gasket. That rubber gasket around the door traps water, lint, and sometimes even detergent residue. If you don't wipe it regularly, it can start to smell. After every few cycles, quickly wipe it with a cloth and leave it dry. Number 3. Overloading the drum. Stuffing the washer saves time in theory, but in reality, the clothes won't spin or rinse properly. Leave enough room for the clothes to move around. If the drum is packed tight, it's too full. Number 4. Leaving the door closed after cycles. Front-load washers need to be sealed tightly so the moisture stays inside. If the door is closed between loads, that moisture becomes odor. Always leave the door slightly open so the washer can air out. Number 5. Not leveling the machine. If your washer shakes, walks, or vibrates too loudly, it might not be level. This puts stress on the drum and bearings. Adjust the feet until the washer is stable. It makes a huge difference. Bonus tip: run a monthly high-temperature cycle. If you always wash on cold, residue can build up inside the drum. Running a clean washer or high-temp cycle once a month keeps the washer fresh and smelling clean. Fix these 5 mistakes and your front-load washer will run better, last longer, and stay odor-free. If you want more appliance tips like this, hit subscribe and check out our other guides. And if you're shopping for a new washer or any major appliance, visit townappliance.com or stop by one of our showrooms. Our appliance experts are always ready to help you find exactly what you need.